Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a fillable PDF form in Google Docs. So let's begin. So as you can see guys, I have a letter written in my Google Doc and I want some of the contents to be fillable, and on the fillable contents I have inserted a $sign and put the fillable content inside second bracket. So if you insert $sign and insert second bracket and then insert content inside, then you will be able to use this information as a fillable information. As you can see, I have many fillable information ready with the $sign and second bracket. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to head to extensions, then go to add-ons and click on get add-ons. From here, click on the search option and type down fillable document. So as you can see, I have searched for fillable document and I have lots of options here. Now this is the first one, fillable document. So I will need to install this add-on to my Google Doc. I will click on install. So as you can see, the fillable document has been installed. So I will click on done now. Now I will close this window. Now we will head to extensions again, then hover over fillable document and click on start. Now I will click on start setup here and then click on automatic setup. Alright, now the loading is finished. We will click on explore now, and since everything looks good over here, I will now click on open web form. Now we need to sign in again with Google. Alright, so after signing in, as you can see, the form that I had created now has fillable informations. So now I will fill out the fillable informations. So as you can see, I have filled out all the details, and for some details I only had to fill once, just like my name and my company name. There are 3 company names, but I only filled out once. After you have filled out the informations, you can just click on generate over here, and after that you will find a PDF, that is this one, and if I click the PDF will open and you can see that the informations have been changed. So guys, that's how you can create a fillable PDF form in Google Docs. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.